Alright everybody, Game Cooker US Rocks VR here again. How you doing today? I just wanted to squeeze in a quick video because I kind of have to. Um, so I put up a video earlier today and just showed you my 3-monitor setup. So I'll probably talk about more of that later in another video if I get around to it. But I wanted to just show you that I bought a MetaQuest 3, which is a VR headset that you don't need to hook up to a computer to play it, although it's still better to play on a computer if possible. But if you don't want to worry about wires and everything, the MetaQuest 3 will do it. Now, I am not a Meta fan. I don't like Facebook. I don't like anything about it. I really grudgingly bought this thing for a lot of different reasons. I don't recommend that you buy it. But if you really are itching to do VR and you want a wireless headset, or I should say a standalone headset, where you don't need to be tethered to a computer by a cord, then the MetaQuest 3 right now is really the only one to buy. There are other ones out there that you could play and probably have just a great time too. And if you have Steam VR, you might want to try some of the other ones because they're more like compatible, you know. I just want to show you. So here's my Vive Pro box, right? This is my Vive Pro box. Now I'm sorry about the blur. I was trying to make the background blurry because it wasn't really like working too good. Maybe I got it too strong. Yeah, maybe I'll just do that. Let's see if that's better. Whoops. Yeah, so here's the Vive Pro box. Again, sorry if it's blurry. I was hoping it was going to be something better. Better quality here. I might have to adjust it a little bit more. Might be able to just put something in the background. Let's see here. Background replacement. There we go. Let's try that. Good or bad? Still not good? Crap. Yeah, let's just try that. Whatever. So here's the Vive Pro box. You know, it's a pretty decent size. And this was 800 when I bought it. Maybe it was a little cheaper on sale. That was just the headset, no controllers. And this is the little oh, come on, this thing. This is the little MetaQuest 3. So you can see the difference in size here. Crazy. And this was $700. Pretty stupid, right? I mean, look at the difference in size. Right? The blur is from the background blur. I don't know. I thought I was going to have enough light. So let me just turn this down. That way I can take the blur off. And we can just show you what's up with this thing. Yeah, so now we're back to normal. So here's the Vive, and here's the MetaQuest 3. Alright. Yeah. Doesn't seem like it's worth 700 bucks, right? So I guess I'm gonna do an unboxing here. Why not, right? Now I didn't buy any accessories because I didn't have enough money. I only had enough to buy this. Oh, here you go. There's like a little arrow. Same thing there. Little arrow. Put that over there. And then it just kind of slides off. There you go. Wow, it looks smaller than I was it looks smaller than I thought. Alright, so here's the little controllers. Wow, they are really dinky. Whoa. They are like really small. Huh. I wonder how you hold these things. See, they don't even give you anything with this. They don't give you the extra head strap. They don't give you the little things that hold, you know, so your hand doesn't fly off. So I guess you have to stick your hand in here like this. You know? This is really weird. I guess oh, okay, I guess it's like this. So, yeah. There you go. So like that. That makes sense. I mean, I guess they feel okay for my hands, I guess. I'm not sure how it's gonna feel in action. You know? Here's the headset. So this has camera tracking. So it's got camera there, there, and 3 here. And it does have like AR, so you can see yourself in the environment. Right? So it's got like a cloth strap. I don't know if you can really notice that in here. There you go. It's cloth. So I can see why people want the they want the extra strap. Now see, this is pretty dumb. You know? So it's $700 for this thing. Basically, you have a computer inside here. It's like basically a cell phone, except an advanced cell phone. Okay? Oops. Sorry, my room's a bit of a mess up here, but whatever. So, you know, I'll put it on. See if can you hear me? I'll see if I can put the mic close. So I don't know, I don't have the covers for my glasses. So, yeah. That's weird. I'm not sure how you tighten this. Okay, here we go. This is how you tighten it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, so you have this thing here, I guess. So I guess that's the thing. You know, that's the thing. Two little controllers. So I guess I'll let you guys know how it is. I can try putting it on again since I fixed the strap. Still not quite enough. People got pretty big heads, huh? Yeah, it's not. They never make the Velcro. They never make the Velcro here long enough. So you can't even tighten it enough. Like you have to stop like right there. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it doesn't even fit on my head. Yeah, it doesn't even fit on my head. It's just really stupid. So I gotta go to the store and pay like 60 bucks for a head strap. Is that stupid? Now I might be able to flip this around. I wonder if it'll Velcro underneath. I'm busy. Maybe I can put it all the way in the back, maybe? Let's try that. Nah, it doesn't really stick. Yeah, it's just not a very good design at all, man. For the price that you pay, it really is not. I wouldn't say it was good. I mean, if anything, I'd have to get like a baby pin or something. You know, and put a baby pin right here. Let's see if this is good. Unless I'm doing something wrong, there's like no adjustability to this thing. Like I can't adjust this back part at all. It's just so wide. It's like falling off my head. There we go. Okay, now it's moving. It was just tight. Shoot. Crazy, man. It's just, yeah, it's not a very good design. You would think that they would have learned from the Vive. Alright, let's try that now. That's a little tighter. Let's try it now. Alright, that's better now. But there's a lot of light bleeding through. It'd be better to have the lights off. So it's, you know, it's 500 for the 128 gig version. And then it's $150 more for the 512. So it's really not worth the, I don't know, man. They're ripping people off as far as I'm concerned. You get a free game, Asgard something, which I didn't even see any card in here. You know what I mean? I don't even see. I guess you got to scan this little thingy here to get started. I have to set up an account. I don't have a MetaQuest account. So anyway, there it is. MetaQuest 3. I'll let you know how it is. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching.